channel. I'm Simply Napri. Today I am here with a tostada mukbang. I got 3 tostadas here, loaded with cheese, meat, lettuce, sour cream, taco sauce. I have some limes on the side. I got my Valentina extra hot, and I got some Dr. Pepper to drink today. I'm super hungry. This is my first time eating today, so I'm going to go ahead and get to it. Happy Saturday. Today is Saturday. Go ahead and put some Valentina on this for some extra spice. I'm going to squeeze some lime. And get to it. It'd be so good. I've been having a taste for these. My daughter said, why do you always have a taste for stuff? I don't know. I really do just be having a taste for certain things. So the kids had a program to attend today. And then Mario's out doing some work. So it's just me today. So I melted cheese on my tostada first, put them in the oven for a little bit, and then stack everything else on top. I got some good melty cheese at the bottom. And some more lime. I love lime on my tacos and stuff like that. Lime just sets it off. That's so good. Let me show you one up close. That just looks perfect. I got onions on here too. I don't know if I said onions. I wanted some pico, but when I went to the store last night, they didn't have none, so. I just got the onions. But, well, I cut my own onions, but yeah, I wanted some pico. They are so good though. Excuse me. So good. I'm telling you. So it is the freaking weekend. Number 2. Excuse me. A little more lime. I love lime, I'm sorry. Gotta put a lot of lime on it. Where do I want to start? Let's start here. This looks like a good bite. It's all flavorful, I'm telling you. Oh shoot, I'm tripping. Gotta put the Valentina. That bite was still good without it though, but I need some extra spice. And this Valentina is it's good. It got a good flavor. Extra hot. They got the regular kind too. It's hot too, but they're extra hot. It's more spicy. It ain't as spicy as that darn 2 times spicy sauce though. Nowhere near that. I can handle this. My lips burn a little bit, but not nothing I can't handle. It's a little messy. That's because all my sour cream and sauce is on top. But it's all good. Messy is good sometimes. So I hope everyone's having a good Saturday. I have mine so far. It's been pretty relaxing. I don't have no plans for the weekend so far. My only plan so far for today is to figure out what I'm gonna cook for dinner, because it's lunchtime right now. That's the only thing on my mind right now, which is good. That makes a good Saturday, you know. Just go with the flow. Don't have anything that I have to do, like no tasks or anything. Crunchy onions. My lips do burn a little bit though. I ain't even gonna lie. Get that one from my mouth. Oh, that sour cream will work right. That's gonna be a good bite. Put extra lime on it. Make it even better. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. Last one. And I will be nice and full until way later. So I really don't eat more now that I do mukbangs. I eat the same as I always ate. Sometimes I actually eat lighter because I won't eat a lot earlier in the day. I eat lighter during the day, like when I'm at work and stuff. And then when I come home, I'll throw down, you know? So it is balanced or whatever. And I've actually dropped some pounds since I've started, since the beginning. So like if you go back to like my very first videos that I did, I've actually slimmed down some. So yeah. So yes, this is not develop bad eating habits or nothing like that. If anything, I actually control my day a little bit better when I have to do a video later on in the day. So, yeah. Because I had a very comfortable winter, I should say. And I definitely packed on a few extra pounds, but I'm coming back down to my normal self. So, oh man. But you know, it is what it is. I was, you know, happy being voluptuous for a little while, but that's not my natural self. So I just gotta, you know, you gotta get yourself to where you're comfortable. Be comfortable in your own skin. That's what it's all about. Last one. Take a look at it. I got a burp. Excuse me. That crunch. But they do make me, you know, add more variety to the menu, you know. Because I don't want to do the same videos over and over, so helps me think of other things to make. And watching other people's videos and stuff like that helps me think of other things to make, so yeah. And I'm naturally more of like a quiet person. I don't talk a lot around people, like in front of a lot of people. So this to me is like a way just for me to kind of get out of that a little bit. Even though I don't have people right in front of me, because I would be a whole different person if I had all these people that are watching this video watching me right in front of me. I'll probably be quiet as a church mouse, because that's just how I am. But at least now I get to, you know, use my voice a little bit more. Talk a little bit more. I am very quiet and to myself. I'm shy to a certain extent, unless I know you. You know, people that know me would never think that would never say that I was shy, but around people I don't know, I don't talk. Like at all. At all. I can sit, well, I know people at work, but still, it's just like, you know, I don't know. I would say, because even like in school, you know, I see these people every day, so it's not like I don't know them, but it has to be like close friends, family, people that I'm around outside of school and work like that. That's when I'm not shy. But when I'm at school, I mean, not school, but when I'm at work and like when I was younger and I was at school and stuff, I did not talk unless, and I still don't talk unless I'm in there with particular people. Like I got one work friend who I talk to kind of. So, you know, anytime we're around each other, I talk a lot. You know, that's probably the most other people hear my voice. And that's how I was in school too. If I had a class with my friend or a cousin or something like that, I talked a lot. But other than that, you probably won't even know what I sound like. But maybe once I do these videos a little bit more often and I start interacting with more people, you know, like in my comments and stuff like that, like I have been, I've been getting a lot more interaction, which is great. I love that. Maybe that'll make me a little more comfortable with, you know, speaking to people in person that I don't really know that well. Now, don't get me wrong. If someone comes up to me, like I'm just I'm not an outgoing type of person to where I will approach a person that I don't know very well, or I will just spark up a conversation with somebody I don't know very well. I'm not that type. But I can literally hold a conversation with anybody. I mean, from young to old. And so there are people that come up to me and talk to me at work and stuff like that, or people who will talk to me in school. And that's how I met a lot of my friends, like from school and stuff like that, because people would come and talk to me. I can hold a great conversation with anybody. And I'm not quiet and timid when you start to talk to me. But I'm not the type to approach people in person and just spark up a conversation with somebody I don't know. That's the thing. So yeah. But you know, if people ever want to just have a conversation with me, I can definitely hold a good conversation. Not be all awkward and just quiet while you're talking to me. I'm not like that. I'm not that shy. You know how little kids, you know, if you try to talk to certain little kids, they'll go curl up behind their mom and they literally will not even look at you or say anything. I'm not that shy. Not gonna run away from you or anything, but you will not ever hear me just spark up a whole conversation with just some people I don't know. You will never see me volunteer to talk in front of a whole crowd of people, ever, ever, ever. Only time I'm ever talking in front of a group of people is if I absolutely have. If I absolutely have to. I've had to do it at work a couple times, and literally I'll be like my knees be shaking all the way up until it's my turn to go. It's just not for me. It's just not for me. Hands probably be sweating and everything, like having a whole anxiety attack on the low that people can't even tell because it's just not for me. Nope. I'm not that type. But yeah, that's why I like to do these videos now, because I can just talk a little bit more. I'm comfortable talking, like, you know, to the camera. And I talk a lot at home and people that know me, like I said, but, you know, give other people an opportunity to know me a little bit. If you want to know me. And watch me eat good food. Hopefully it makes you want to eat some good food. Or hopefully you're eating some good food with me. And I know one thing, mukbangs will stir up an appetite. If you ain't got no appetite, watch a mukbang. Okay? Not only will it give you some ideas of some stuff to eat, but it will stir up that appetite. It sure will. I don't think I put Valentino on this one. I can't remember if I did, but it don't feel like it's that spicy. And I can't tell if that's the regular taco sauce or if that's the Valentino, but I don't think I'm putting that on this one. I'm missing out. What the heck? I'd be missing out on flavor. Yeah, no, I didn't. These are two totally different sauces. I'm missing out on some flavor. Can't do that. Mm. It's so good. Once we got a whole bunch of sauce and sour cream. I'm about to be nice and full after all this. Make one dance. I just dropped my sour cream. I need that. Oh no. There we go. I used up all my napkins. Last bite. It's good. I'm telling you. So good. If you haven't done tostadas, go get you some when you do tacos the next time. Get you some tostadas. Especially if you like hard tacos. If you like hard shell tacos, get some tostadas. They good. See, most people put beans and cheese on the tostada, then put it in the oven. I didn't do the beans this time. I just put cheese on the tostada. Put it in the oven for a little bit, let the cheese melt, then load that bad boy up. That was so good. Ooh, excuse me. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you watched this video to the end. If you like this video, please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I will see you next time.